the testimony from the rapid spread of the Christian religion. So that's a very strong argument that, St. Peter was a Jew arriving in Rome, telling the Romans that they had to set aside their state gods, whom they considered to be protectors of Rome, and for whom beautiful temples were built in the Forum. Set those aside and believe that a crucified Jew in Palestine, which was the most awful province for the Romans in Judea, because it gave them so much trouble, that you have to worship as the one true God a crucified Jew. This was the test that was set upon the apostles and their successors to convert this absolutely lust-filled and cruelty-filled pagan world of polytheism and tell them that they must fix their attention upon a crucified Jew. I mean, you couldn't get a harder thing to convince someone of, and yet, without any help from the state and without any force of arms, the Christian religion triumphed in the Roman Empire. So that's a very important argument.